Okay. Hello, dear friends. La Trinidad, la Trinidad, la Trinidad. Biscuiterie la Trinidad, c'est en Bretagne. C'est à côté de l'Agnon. Okay. Hello, dear friends. Coucou evening. Such a beautiful, beautiful evening. So it's been a long time since our last cup of tea and cookie, and I have gâteau breton. Les recettes de Marcel. C'est qui Marcel? Marcel. And so now we have it, and it makes me so happy. Let's see what we have. We have serving suggestion, cookie and chocolate butter cookie with chocolate chip, butter cookie, sim butter cookie. Sim butter cookie, c'est galette. And I think the thick one is ballet, B-A-L-E-T, ballet. Galette are the same one. Oh, this is so good. La Trinidad. C'est Notre-Dame. Ah oui, Notre-Dame, la nouvelle. Et ça, c'est le rénové après le travaux. C'est Tour Eiffel. Oh my goodness. I love it. Oh, ça c'est lourd. Hein? This is quite heavy. With paper packaging. Shall we try one? Maybe we shall try one. Look at it. Look at it. Uh-oh, there is no light. You cannot see. En Bretagne, there are a lot of this kind of biscuiterie. I think La Trinidad, they are doing a good job in marketing. This is a heavy one. Look at it. Oh my goodness. It's too good. C'est ratou. That's it. Oh, c'est bon la France. Okay. Hello dear friends. Good afternoon. Such a beautiful, beautiful afternoon. And the shipping is so simple. And this one is for protection, so it's just perfect. Oh, I already have a layer. I kind of do not need this protection. Oh yeah, this is the back. Okay. You know that I do a live stream, and I want to use. I do not like it without any protection, and a teeny tiny little bit protection will be good. So let's put it in. Where is my pen? Not easy. Okay. In. Oh, that is perfect. A little bit heavier than, yeah, but still okay. and I can use my, and I like everything matte, so this one is matte surface. Like it covers up. That's so good. I think it's good for pencil. Oh yeah, it's very strong pencil connection. Yeah, I mean, I do not necessarily need to do the. I mean, you get the idea. This is not for traveling, but for doing some live stream. And since in iPad I can do landscape live stream, so that should be good. Oh, I like it. I like it. Let's go to yanghaiying. Where is my... Oh, did I sign in? I think I have signed in. Profile. Yes, this is my profile. So you can do vertical form. Oh, I love it. Oh, look at my card. Yeah, I should love this one. This is on my shop. Oh, the resolution is not so good, right? This one not too bad. Anyway, that's a very simple protection so that I can feel more comfortable to do a live stream. Without it, I can still do, but I feel more comfortable with something. Bye bye, friends. I love you. I really do. Do 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 do. Goodbye bye. Let's take a look at YouTube. Why not? YouTube. No, we will go to the public channel. YouTube. Yanghaiying. Oh, why? My channel. Why there is this? Yes, whoosh. And a talent in dust. Yeah, the artist Stefan. He is so talented. Where is the sound? This side. Yeah. Yeah. He is so talented. He is so talented. Look at his work. Yeah. Look at his work. So very talented. It's unbelievable. Unbelievable. I met him in Utah, Salt Lake City. And later in this comment, you will see his sister has made a comment that made a comment that he passed away. He is so talented. It's not fair. So kind-hearted. Very, very beautiful painting. just a pen and pencil. Absolutely love his work. Thank you very, very much. Yeah. This is on my channel.